So it's Saturday night here in Bangkok and we are heading to the train night market. So we've just come through the BTS, or just the BTS of Asok, right here. And we've got to go down to Samrong and then jump on the yellow line. Jump on the yellow line and then head out to the train night market. We haven't been there before, so here's hoping we don't get lost. So we just got off at Samrong. Got to get on this yellow line and head this way. So I'm not 100% sure which stop we get off at on the yellow line. So we'll soon find out. We could end up walking or we could end up right outside. Chances are we'll probably end up walking, but I'll tell you the correct one. So we're here at Samrong and we're heading to Suan Luang Rama 9. So once you go through the gates, put your ticket in, hang your left and go to exit 1. So we're heading over there and down. There's the train night market. So yeah, we got off the MRT, just up the top there, down, hang your left and head around and you make it. This market is definitely a local market because there's a couple of motorbikes parked here. Like hundreds. So that can only mean one thing, that the prices are pretty cheap. And if it's this busy, then the food must be good. It's got a real nice feel about it, that's for sure. $150 for these t-shirts. Sorry, I don't even know what these are.
Blocks, Vigo blocks.
There we go, is it? Oh yeah.
You make out those.
Well, we got a bunch of bars and restaurants here. Looks pretty nice out here. Oh, it's so busy, it's 7:15. It is a Saturday night, so, but very local, a lot of locals here, so must be good.
ขายเดียวกันนะชมได้นะครับ
We've got a band going on, but I have no idea if this is every Friday and Saturday night or just tonight. Six pairs of socks for 100 baht. Yeah, true. Yeah, if you're in Thailand, you can come and get your cowboy boots. You wouldn't want to kick in the nuts by those boots. Hello, look at you. Don't fall off there. What's that? It's a tree growing up through the barber shop. How cool is this? It's 8:45. I'm not sure what this is all about. But there's always something happening here. How cool is this place? It's like stepping back in time. Wow. This is definitely, I'm going to try and talk over the music so I don't have to cut it all out. But yeah, this is definitely interesting. Oh, look at these old classics. It's an old 1275 GT Mini. Is that the shape of your Mini? No, your blue Mini. Shit, they were small. Says you wouldn't want to meet her out on the night.
เมื่อกี้ไม่ดูร้านเลย
What do you reckon about that? Or that one? Oh, this market's so cool. I think this might be my favourite market. It's got such a great vibe. It's relaxed.
Yeah, it's very cool.
You can get a lot
This
of...
could be our favourite market.
Yeah, definitely. Well, that was a look at the train night market. What did you think? For us, it's probably one of our... Shit, it's noisy here. For us, it's probably one of our favourite markets. It's spread out. It's got that mixture of retro, second-hand and new. It's got plenty of places to eat and plenty of bars. So yeah, it's definitely worth a visit out here. I think it was busier than usual tonight because of that concert. But there's a lot of locals here, so must be good. Must be good food. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Yep.